What if I told you there is a creature on Earth that can literally survive in outer space? It is called the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. When faced with extreme danger, it completely dehydrates itself and shuts down its metabolism. In this suspended animation state, it can withstand freezing temperatures and intense solar radiation. Scientists actually sent them into orbit, exposed them to the vacuum of space, and they came back alive. They have survived every single mass extinction on Earth for over 500 million years. Follow for more.